Welcome back. Let's make another cocktail. So it has been a while. Last week I did some taste testing. We taste tested a lot of beers. This week we are back to it. We are going to make a classic cocktail. It is called the Bob Marley. The ingredients in this one, divine. So we have grenadine, we have blue Caracayo. Now, okay, this is a bit of a controversial name. Everybody kind of says it very differently. I call it blue Caracayo. That's the way I say it. If you say it differently, let me know. Everybody does. Who cares? It's all the same thing. We have coconut rum, one of my favorites. You can use any brand. I just happen to have Malibu in my cupboard at the moment, but there are many really delicious coconut rums out there. And then we have pineapple juice, which is, to me, many cocktails have pineapple juice, and it's chef's kiss because I love anything pineapple. Okay, so this is kind of a two-step cocktail. We need a shaker full of ice and we need a glass full of ice. So to start off with, we do the base of the glass. So we have 90 ml of pineapple juice. My shot measurer is 30 ml, 15 ml on the other side. So I am going to do 3 shots of pineapple juice straight in to my glass. Okay. Then we need the grenadine. And this one is 30 ml. So we need 1 shot. Generally, the grenadine is heavier than the pineapple juice. So if you pour it in, it should just go straight to the bottom. Voila. Okay, that is the base. We can move that to the side. Now we're going to work on the shaker, which is the top part of our cocktail, because we're going for a bit of gradients, you know? Got to make it look good. So I have ice in my shaker. We go Malibu rum. We need 60 ml of this. So 2 shots for me. Oh, the smell of it straight away. You just, coconut rum. You can't go wrong. Coconut rum, even with Coke, over ice, one of my faves. Okay, then we go, 15 ml of blue Caracayo in with the coconut rum. Boom. Sorry, I had a bit of mind blank. I'm like, am I putting the right thing in the right place? Yes, we are. Okay, now we need pineapple juice again, but this time just a little bit. So we need 30 ml of pineapple juice. Delicious. Now we put the lid on our shaker and give it a shake so it's all combined and chill. My rainbow shaker, isn't it gorge? And it's got this really super simple pourer up the top. I always struggled with my other one to get the lid off it, because once you shake it, the lid like expands or something. It was a devil to get the lid off, but not anymore. Okay, now that it's shaken, We need a spoon. We want the gradients, so you carefully pour this layer over the top of your next layer to keep that prettiness, okay? Fingers crossed. Okay. And there we have it. The Bob Marley. It is super pretty, isn't it? Look, if this was brought up to you at the table, super impressive, right? Super impressive. The only downside to drinks like this, as soon as they are brought to you, the first thing you're going to do is give it a stir, right? Because all of our flavors aren't mixed together. You'd get to the bottom and it'd be super sweet because it's just the grenadine. So you need to mix it up a little bit, but super pretty. Oh, so impressed. We did it. I'd never doubted us once. Let's give it a stir. Sadly, first of all, let's just taste it like this. Get out of here. This is divine. Let's stir it. Now it's going to turn a really mucky color. Now it looks like a Coke, okay? Look at that. Ugh. Still. That. Wow. It tastes way better than it looks. Now that you've stirred it, it's not as pretty, right? But trust me when I say it tastes divine. You can't go wrong. If you want to impress at your next pool party, your next get together, or you just want to go to up to the pub, the bar, whatever, and try something new, ask for the Bob Marley. It is perfect. Perfect for a hot summer's day. Cheers. Till our next cocktail making adventure, have a great day. Enjoy the lovely weather or the cold or wherever you are. Enjoy your day and I'll see you soon.